Raini ndaibwiria Kenya maraga makithie kuoya marua ma guciaro ni imwe ya mibango iria rubonge rwa ugitiri rugite rukurora bindi ya mucemanio na atongoria ma bonge itiganite cia ugitiri.
By 1st of July this year, issuance of documents and everything should be a same-day service unless you are applying from outside Nairobi, like when you apply for passports from outside Nairobi or when you apply for IDs from outside Nairobi. Those services that we are supposed to give, like birth certificates which you can give here in Mombasa, why can someone walk to the office here in Mombasa in the morning and get their birth certificate and go home?
Itemi-ini ria kuburana na itoi, Minista wa ugitiri ni uriti atongoria ma matura gukorwo maitho gukira mbere kurora itoi iria irebithania na muingi matura-ini.
We cannot make Kenyan slaves in their country that they have to pay our officers to get a service. It will not happen. This year, we can't experience the same reputation we have had about citizen services.
Miario ino yukite uriri bururi ugomeirwo ni ugwati wa tharikira icigo itiganite. Ngiribotera Inoro TV. Njitagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Muriithi.